Welcome to OSG's 60-second troubleshooting video. One of the most common methods of holding a tap in a CNC machine is a tension compression holder. This style allows movement towards the spindle in compression and away from the spindle in tension. This style is useful for older and non-synchronized CNC machines, allowing the holder to compensate for imperfect matching of speed and feed, especially during reversal, avoiding overcutting of the threads. However, that movement allowed can induce overcut threads on synchronized machines. As the tap cuts the material, a spiral flute will pull itself forwards, acting on the tension allowed. This is especially a concern in free-cutting materials, such as aluminum. To avoid this issue, a solution is rigid tapping. This style is intended for synchronized spindles, commonly found on newer CNC machines, and it allows for zero movement, either in tension or compression. This means, though the tap may attempt to move in the holder will resist, preventing overfeeding. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit www.osgtool.com.